I'm finally up from my 2-month-long vacation. So do you guys remember me? If not, I am Toy Dr. Daniyal. And with me, I have this Toy Doctor Trainee Ajam. It's finally time to go back to school. But this time, I'm bringing some magic to school. Are you ready? Do you guys want to learn this magic trick? It's really simple. All you need is my Knack bottles, some cold water, and the secret spell. First, we have to learn the spell. It's easy.
Zippity.
Zappity! Boom! First, open the bottle. Next, pour in the cold water. And the color, as you can see, it's going up. The planet is showing. But you forgot the words. Zippity! Zappity! Zoom! Phew! Otherwise it wouldn't be done. Whoa! This is awesome! It's like I have the whole universe on my bottle. Can you see all the planets and the sun and the moon? This is so cool! So guys, did you see all my Knack bottles come to life? These are mine and these are my sisters. We love them. So what's your Knack bottle, huh? That's my Knack for today, guys. And remember, zippity, zappity, boom! This is Toy Dr. Daniyal and Toy Trainee Dr. Ajib signing off. Bye!